All right, boys and girls, today we're going to be working on middle sounds in words. The middle sound when we tap it out is the sound we tap in the middle. For example, let's look at these two words. At, at. The middle sound is ah. Or in the next word, ip. The middle sound is I. We could also look at the whole word. We could say, what's the middle sound in mat? And your job would be to slow the word down and tap out the sounds. It's the sound you hear in the middle of the word. So if I said tap out the sounds in mat, find the middle sound, you'd be listening for that ah sound. At. Do you hear it in the middle? First sound is middle sound is ah, ending sound is t. So that middle sound can kind of be tricky sometimes, but we're going to work on finding the middle sounds in these words together. Okay, our first picture is of a jet. Here we have the first and the last sounds already provided for us. We have j and t. What sound do we need to add to the middle of the word to complete the word? Listen, jet. Let's tap out the word and listen for the sound in the middle. J, et. What sound did you hear in the middle? I heard eh. Which letter should we put for that sound? Should we put the A, the E, the I, the O, or the U? Which one says eh? The E. So you're going to move the E to the middle sound in the word over here. Now let's check it. J, et. Is that the word jet? Great job, we did it. Let's do another one. She's going for a run. We have and n. What sound is missing from the middle? Let's tap out run. N. What's the sound in the middle of run? R, n. Which letter should we put for We should put the letter U because U says n. Run. Let's try another. This is a rat. Let's see, we have and t. What sound belongs in the middle? Let's sound it out. Tap it with me. At. What's the middle sound? Did you say ah? That's right. At. Now, which letter says ah? A. Let's make sure we have the right sounds. At, rat. We did it. Let's do one more. Looks like they're ripping the paper. Let's see. P. Let's tap out to find the middle sound in rip. I. P. Which sound was in the middle? I. P. I hear the I sound. What letter makes the I sound? I. So we should take the I, oops, that's the O. We should take that I into the middle of the word. Let's see. Ip. Does that make the word rip? Nice. Now it's your turn. Find the worksheet and try and fill in all of the middle sounds. You can do it just like we did here with these pictures. Take a look at the picture, tap out the word, find the sound in the middle of the word, and then discover what letter makes that sound.